Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing good. In this video guys, I will let you know how you can create a Azure Data Factory account in a very simple way guys. So you have to search here Data Factory. Once you will search, you can see there is showing Data Factories. You will click here and after that you have to click on create. Once you will click on the create, then you can see there is a options of basics, git configuration, networking. What we have to do here you can select subscription if you have any. Okay, in a resource group you will select your resource group which you have created earlier, but now I'm going to create a new because I did not create in this subscription resource group. Okay, so I'm going to click on create new and now I will create Akash. Okay, so okay, done. This is my resource group. Okay, here instance details means name. Here I will give Akash ADF account. Okay, naming convention is always very important in ADF. So I give the name here Akash ADF account. That's mean this is my Akash ADF account. Okay, now I'm going to click on the next. Okay, git configuration we have to do nothing here. Okay, networking leave as it is, advanced and tags leave as it is, review and create. Okay, here you can see the details: subscription, free trial, resource group Akash, name Akash ADF account, reset Akash ES. ठीक है, so now I'm going to click create. Initializing deployment. Now my ADF account will be created in a few seconds. So guys, it is very simple. Now I will give the little bit overview about ADF. Okay, so it's going, deployment is in a process. Now I will click on the go to resource. Okay, go to resource. Here you can see launch studio options are showing: Azure Data Factory Studio and Launch Studio. I will click on here. Okay, now my Azure Data Factory account has been created and now I'm opening Azure Data Factory. Okay, so let's see the overview, full overview I will let you know here. Here you can see home page, this pencil icon author. Yeah, here you will click, then you can see pipeline details, how many pipeline you have been created here. Now if you want to create a new pipeline, then click on the three dots and new pipeline. Here you can click on plus symbol and click pipeline, and here you can click on pipeline. Okay, there are different ways you can create the pipeline here. Now I'm going to click new pipeline. Okay, here you can see details of activities, how many activities in ADF. Like move and transform, there are two activities: copy activities, data flow activity. Synapse, notebook activity, spark job activity. Definitions. ठीक है, if I want to run copy data activity, then what we have to do? Drag and drop here. You can see it's too simple. Okay, here you can give the name like copy blob to ADLS. Okay, copy blob to ADLS. That's mean I will copy data from blob to ADLS. Okay, this is a simple way. In the next videos, I will let you know all the details. Okay, how you will run this copy data activity. Okay, here you can see monitor. Okay, click on the monitor. In monitor, you will see all the details like how many pipeline are running, triggers run, and change data capture, and integration runtime, which integration runtime you are using. Okay, data flow and debug. So here you can see all data, you can monitor them. Okay, here you can see manage option, link services. If you created any link services, here you can manage that link services. Same integration runtime, Microsoft purview, git configuration, ARM templates, trigger. Okay, these things you can change here. And learning center, if you want to check anything, you can click here and check. Okay, it's too simple. So this is a little bit overview of the data factory, or how you can create an account on Azure Data Factory. So guys, this is for today's video, and we will meet in next video. And thanks for watching this video.